Do you really want to know how profitable the MACD strategy is on the US30? Yes, this video is going to cover that. I'm going to be showing you how much you can possibly gain using the MACD strategy on the US30 to gain a lot from the market. If this is something you're interested in watching after my using the strategy to know how much you can actually make from the US30 chart. Yes, US30 on the 30-minute chart. Wow, how did that sound? This video is what you want to watch to the end. Make sure you don't click off so that you can get the result at the end. At the end, I'm going to give you the result of how much I gained, how much losses you can have, how much profit you can make in a row, and how long it should take. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you stick around while I do the back test, and we're just gonna get straight right to it. So join me and let's go. Hello and welcome back. This is a back test to show you how to use the MACD strategy on the US30 on a 30-minute time frame. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you stick around, make sure you don't click off, make sure you watch to the very end so that you know the full result and know whether it's going to be profitable for you to trade the US30 on the 30-minute time frame using the MACD strategy. So before we get started, I'll just tell you what the MACD strategy is, take one or two trades, and then I'll go through it and come back with the result for you so that you don't have to do the hard lifting yourself. Please make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed this kind of video. This is not an easy thing to do. It's a lot of sitting in front of the screen to do this for you guys. So please subscribe, like, and share this video to support me. I really appreciate you guys. So yes, how does the strategy work? It uses the 200 moving average to show the trend, the MACD below or above the zero line. So once it's below the zero line and the price is above this 200 moving average, you look for only buy setup, and vice versa. When the 200 moving average is above the price and the MACD line is above the zero line, you look for sell setup. So this one you see here is the first buy setup you see on the chart. So we're just gonna take that and you just place your, I'm going to be using a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, so make sure you follow me on that if you're interested. So what you do is just set your stop loss just below the last low, all right, and you just take a 2-to-1. all right, so this one would be okay. So this first one would not have one. Okay, it would not have one, as you can see. This would not have one because it lost, as you can see. Okay, no, I'm not sure it lost. Let's check that out to see for ourselves. Okay, no, we didn't lose this. So this first one actually won for a 2-to-1. So here we go. So what I do, I usually take a trade and don't take another one until the first one is closed. That's the best way to do it. But if you wanted to take another one, this would have been a good one. This would also have been a good one for you to take here. So with that said, if you've taken this one, this would have been a good one if you wanted to take all the trade. But I don't take all the trade. I just take one, wait for it to close before I take another one. Okay, that's what I do. So if you want to do that for yourself, that's also cool. So just take this. So now that you know the way the strategy works, I'm just going to go through. Okay, so this would have been one, and I don't know if we would have won this. Yes, we would have won this too. Okay, and would have won this also if we took this. So I don't want to make the video long. I'm just going to do the full back test from January, as you can see, from January to the present date, and I'm going to get back to you with the results. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you hit the like button, stay tuned while I go through the back test, and I will get back to you with the results. You know I love you all, and I'm doing this so that you can make money from the forex market using the US30 trading stock. So please stick around and you're gonna love this video, and I'll see you on the next one. So welcome back. So after taking 100 trades, yes, I'll start with the bad before I end up with the good. So please stick around, get your jotter to jot it down. So how many losses did I have in a row? I had 7 losses in a row. Yes, so you see why money management is super important. That does not mean the strategy is not profitable, but having 7 losses in a row for me, it might be different for you, but based on my strategy, if you've watched my other videos and followed your own way of trading, you should have similar results. But we lost 7 in a row and we won 6 in a row. Yes, that's cool if you ask me, and I'll tell you why. Just stick around. I mean, did we win? We won 43 trades and lost 57 trades. Yes, and what was the win rate? The win rate was 43%. But guess what? Since we used a 2-to-1 win reward ratio, yes, the good news is that we're able to have a 2,900 gain on our account. Yes, if you had an account of 10,000 using a 2-to-1 reward ratio, just risking only 2% of your account, you would have been able to make 2,900 after 100 trade. So yes, you can see it's actually a profitable strategy. You don't give up on your strategy just because you have a losing streak. You just keep going with your strategy. If you believe in your strategy, stick to your strategy, and trust me, in no time you're going to make profit. I don't think this is the best win rate I've had so far trading the MACD on the US30. So please, I will advise you to watch the other videos so that you can decide for yourself which time frame is best for you. With that said, I don't want to waste your time on this. I'm just going to see you on the next one, which is the 1 hour test video. Stay blessed and see you then.